That wouldn't have been working, so we need a camshaft. And it looks like we're going to need a camshaft for that side as well. At least we know what we need to order. So essentially, what's happened is when the cam lobe is rotating on that finger follower, after a while, they've both worn away at each other, to the point where some of the cam lobes have worn flat in certain spaces. And this is going to affect how much the valve can open and the smoothness of how the valve opens, which can cause misfires and a lot of other issues. But it seems like it's only affected the intake camshafts on both sides of the engine.